This compact Dryad Christmas indoor planting system combines a soil planter with a 17-watt full-spectrum grow light, giving indoor herbs and greens strong, even illumination all year round. The telescoping light pole extends to nearly 15 inches in height and pairs with multiple light modes and timer options, so you can fine-tune conditions for everything from leafy herbs to small, flowering plants. Its automatic watering setup with absorbent wicks reduces daily maintenance, which is especially helpful for beginners or busy plant owners who still want healthy growth. Because it runs quietly and has a small footprint, this system fits comfortably on desks, countertops, and nightstands, turning almost any indoor corner into a small garden. The kit arrives with thoughtful accessories and festive details that make it feel gift-ready, especially appealing for anyone who enjoys hands-on projects or wants to introduce children to plant care. Overall, it is an easy-to-use, space-saving way to grow fresher-tasting herbs, vegetables, and decorative plants indoors when outdoor light and weather are unreliable.